As I was saying, this is one of my favorite pieces. It is made of this really pale jade gemstone, and it has black jet beads. These are heart shaped, made with sterling silver um, earring findings. It's just a lovely three-tiered bracelet, and it goes beautifully against the deep purple. As so many of these things do too. The orange and the coral, the red coral, really makes things pop, and of course, the white pearls, just really nice. So coming over here, we have kind of a jade green dress tank top with a black blazer. This would be really good for work. Actually, most of these outfits would be great for, a weekend out, or working, or if you're working from home and you just want to, you have those Zoom meetings and stuff. This is all very, you know, nice fitting clothes. It's not constricting. And then you get to add the jewelry in a bunch of different ways to mix and match and really dress it up without getting having to put a whole lot of effort into doing it. But this is, again, another favorite piece of mine. It has all these green tones and teal and blue in here. Just really pretty sparkles. Love this one. And something else that goes really well with the jade green is this bright pink, kind of raspberry pink bracelet. This is a gemstone bracelet. It has gemstone jet faceted beads here, and this is, if I'm saying it right, rhodolite, or maybe it's rhodolondite. I have to double check the spelling, I'm sorry. And this one is rose quartz with crystal quartz spacer beads here, and this one I made for breast cancer awareness. So we've got that's all very nice outfit for going into work if you have to go into the office. This one's a little more casual, olive green. That is a favorite color of mine to wear every day, and it goes well with black, gold. This particular necklace goes with just about anything that is featured here. These are crystal quartz gemstone chips, and they're kind of woven through. Just a really fun piece. And then Swarovski bracelet. Now I can make this in a lot of different colors. This was fun to make, and it's so pretty, very simple, very elegant. Let's see. Next we have this slate gray top. Another, excuse me, another Swarovski and sterling silver collar necklace. This has orange. This one is a beautiful gemstone piece. This is labradorite, the centerpieces, and so are these gray beads. And labradorite, I don't know if you can catch that, but it has the unique properties of looking slightly different color in different lights. This is Swarovski crystal links, and these are glass antique green pearls. This is a sterling silver clasp, and the findings are all sterling silver as well. The antique silver and the crystals, these are obsidian gemstones on the bottom of these, look really well with the slate gray. Black, of course, goes really well with this. Again, the crystal quartz, and these are labradorite beads as well, faceted on a very thin memory wire bracelet with a cute little charm. This actually has its own earrings with the keys. But these, again, the labradorite goes really well with that. Over here is a burgundy top. And what's fun with burgundy is it actually goes with a surprising number of colors. Here we have light pink and gold. These are navy blue goldstone stars. I love this one for 4th of July also. And these are like a really deep gray and black, depending on how the light hits them, crystals. This real cute little toggle clasp has a sparkle in there. It's a little bit shorter, but that would go really nicely with to dress this top up. And then this charm bracelet is one of those that would go with a lot of things here. It has the grape purple, it has the burgundy, it has orange and blue and yellow and pink and black, of course. This is the found things, or things found bracelet with buttons and beads and charms. So just another way of dressing it up or dressing it down. Now, before we keep going, I'd like to show you the middle sections. Here we have a red turtleneck sweater with a white jean jacket. And this, the pearls are really